What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. And on today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into VoxelPLA's PETG plus high speed in purple. So this is how the filament came, again, in just this kind of looser bag, along with the other filament that I had ordered. So we get this opened and take a look. I mean, the color is very nice. It's a very nice, rich purple color that I particularly enjoy. One of the things that is odd about this is the fact that this is a different, like it's just a sticker on a spool, kind of just placed there from Voxel. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this dried for at least 6 hours. I'm going to go ahead and put that in filament dryer because, you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament. So I'll see you soon. All right, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in the generic filament settings from Bamboo Studio. In this case, the PETG settings, and this should take a little over an hour to print. We're going to get that done along with all the other test prints, and you'll be able to see the entirety in just a GIF. All right. So these are the test prints that we printed out. First off, we start out with the generic benchy. Again, this one is a very nice, rich purple. No real issues beyond maybe a little bit of issues with some of the overhangs there, and then a little bit of stringing, but we can rectify both of those as we get the settings dialed in. Next up, we have the 40 by 40, the dimensional cube, 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. You can see that there was some issues with a little bit of stringing there at the bottom. And again, the filament itself is a little bit weaker than I would usually anticipate from PETG. Anyway, next up we have the temperature tower. And the temp tower ended up being, for this one, it was probably a little bit of 235, which is much cooler than what we would usually have from some of the other ones that VoxelPLA makes for PETG. Next up, we have the retraction test. Retraction test turned out fine, no real issues there. The max volumetric speed test, this one performed beautifully at 28 millimeters per second cube. No real issues there, which again is something that I would expect. It's something that's being marketed as high speed. Next up, we had the overhang test. And the overhang test turned out very well. Again, though, as with PETG, as you get closer to 80 degrees, I highly recommend that you consider turning on the supports, especially for anything that you need the finer details or anything with extreme geometry. So we got those settings dialed in and reprinted the benchy. It looks great. There's still a touch of maybe a couple of things that I need to take a deeper dive to. Next up, we have... this is their website from VoxelPLA. Again, most reliable on Earth. They market it as, they talk about their bulk orders. They talk about, how they have same-day shipping, kind of thing. So you can pick up this filament over there for $16.99. And again, the more you order, the more you would have a slight discount with. But overall, one of the things, I think the filament's great. No real complaints there. Maybe a little bit on the strength side, but other than that, nothing really no real issues there. My concern has been that I originally started this channel because I kept seeing Voxel, advertise through YouTubers and sponsor episodes of some of my favorite 3D printer content makers. And I couldn't really find anybody that was giving Voxel a review, so I decided to try out their stuff. And I was intending to, for this series to start out with Voxel. Unfortunately, I had an issue with them where they shipped it, or they basically didn't ship it until much later. I ordered it in January. It didn't arrive to where I'm at until March. I contacted them, and again, they market it as like same day shipping. There was nothing that indicated that it was a on the website that this was a pre-order or anything like that. Nothing relating to that. So I contacted them in February. I'm like, hey, where's my filament? They basically said, oh, the website was wrong, that we had, this was a pre-order or something like that. And I'm like, okay, well, just get it to me when you can. They offered to ship out just the white and with other things, but I'm like, I wanted to use purple, orange, and white. Anyway. I've left their website down below if you're interested in purchasing from them. I think that, customer service is going to be super important as the 3D printing hobby continues to grow and mature. It's going to be what distinguishes companies. So, it's something that I think that we need to talk about. And I hope that they'll, work on it. Anyway, this has been VoxelPLA's PETG in purple. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Do all the nice YouTube things. Be kind to each other. And I hope I'll see you on the next episode. I really do appreciate it. Take care.